Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Change your focus. That's the word from opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips, who claims that cutting jobs is not the kind of transformation needed in the public sector. Dr. Phillips was speaking today at the JSC's Regional Investment and Capital Market Conference in Kingston. Here's TVJ's Andrew Laidley with more.
As the government works out how it will implement public sector reform, opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips warns against widespread job cuts.
We need to ensure that we focus on the real issues. The preoccupation with cost cutting, while it has some validity, should not be a be-all or an end-all.
Dr. Phillips is also urging the government to broaden the scope used to appoint public sector boards.
And I believe it is not beyond us to find a mechanism whereby persons who feel they have the requisite skills can apply, and that a public service commission, for example, could be utilized to vet these applications and appoint persons of no known political affiliation, but with necessary skills to serve on the boards of public sector corporations.
He says most of the people we need have simply never been given the opportunity to vie for the post because of politically driven motives.
I have always said, nation building is not for governments. Nation building is for the nation to participate in, and we have to marshal all the talents of our small nation in order to make the advances which we seek.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
We go on to currency trading as the day ended with the US dollar selling for $133. The Canadian dollar is now selling for $103.60. The pound sterling, $173.19, while the euro ended the day selling at $155.18. Now, oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in March went up by 78 cents. It settled at $53.17 a barrel. The JSE index lost 930 points today, while the junior market index declined by 23 points. Now, stocks posting gains included Margaritaville Turks, Jetcon Corporation, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Supreme Ventures, and Proven Investments. We now take a look at those losing. Among them, 138 Student Living, Everything Fresh, Fosrich, Blue Power Group, and AMG Packaging and Paper. And that wraps up the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.